Welcome back. Bhalchandra Technologies has joined hands with International Council of E-Commerce Consultants. BT has now introduced Certified Hackers course and Certified Secure Computer User course. Management claim that these courses are available at half the fees and for a longer duration at BT compared to other IT institutions outside Goa.
This thing associated with EC Council for this particular thing. वो आमचो मेन उद्देश आसलो. Basically, वो 40 hours training. 40 hours training म्हणटा तेका आसता 5 वरां. आतां खंयचर हे आतां ते पुण्यान, मुंबय, ओके आनी हे मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज आहा आनी थंयसर बेसिकली हे कोर्स शिकयता. Syllabus we were teaching for the half of the rate. ओके आनी दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणटकूच सेम सिलेबस बट आमी 3 म्हयने शिकयतात. एट द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स द आउटकम जो आसतलो ओके इज अ एथिकल हॅकर आनी ही नोज टू हॅक आनी हे बऱ्या खातीरूच घेतात कित्याक तेंचे पयलीं आमी एक अग्रीमेंट करून घेवचो पडटा की ते खंयचेच इलिसिट काम करचे ना म्हणून. होच हॅकर फाल्यां हॅक करूंक आसा अशें केन्नाच जायना. जेन्ना आमी रेजिस्टर करतात ओके तांकां एक रेजिस्टर किट म्हणून दिल्लें आसता तातूंत तांकां एक सॉफ्टवेअर दितात ओके ते सॉफ्टवेअर आनी कोणाकूच मेळोंक शकना आनी ते कोणाक तेंच्यांनी दिवंक जायना रेजिस्टर्ड किट ओके सपोज ते जालें जाल्यार मेन ऑफिसाक कळटा की तो यूज करता म्हणून आनी खंयसर तरी वायट हेका.
The summer transfer window is now shut, and yet again it is Real Madrid who have shattered the world record by signing Gareth Bale from Tottenham for a whopping price of £85.3 million. Clubs from all over the world have strengthened during the 3-month period which had begun from the end of last season.
Tottenham Hotspur always knew they had the next big thing in football, as Welsh international Gareth Bale blossomed into a fine attacking footballer. The 24-year-old was pursued relentlessly by Spanish giants Real Madrid, and finally on deadline day, Real unveiled their prized possession to the Bernabeu faithfuls.
He was all smiles as he made his way into the medical building there, made his way through. Very happy man, very smiley today, as he would be, knowing that you're going to earn £300,000 a week and you've signed for one of the biggest clubs in the world too. Then the medical itself and a thumbs up, and he posed for a few more official photos, and then it was time to meet some of the supporters outside.
Gareth, anything to say to Spurs fans? Gareth, anything to say to Spurs fans?
Bale's world record £85.3 million price makes him the most expensive footballer in the world now.
True.
This was the moment, though, that having signed the paperwork, he then appeared inside the stadium in front of the fans. And listen out here for your first glimpse of Gareth Bale speaking Spanish.
Hola, es un sueño para mí jugar para Real Madrid. Gracias.
Yeah, it's a dream to be here, and I can't wait for my future to start here. I want to come here. I want to play my best football. I want to contribute to help the team, and yeah, I don't think that there's pressure in that sense. I think the most pressure comes from me, and I want to succeed, and I'll give 100% to playing football for Real Madrid and trying to help the team to win things. I've always followed Spanish football. It's an amazing league. We play great football, and I've always loved the white of Real Madrid. I've been following them all my life.
While Bale may have left the world's most exciting football league, the English Premier League, Germany international midfielder Mesut Ozil has moved over to EPL with Arsenal. The Gunners paid a club record price of £42.4 million to Real Madrid for Ozil. The 25-year-old attacking midfielder has the ability to shine in the EPL and is one of the new players to watch in this season. Ozil also became the biggest transfer deadline day signing of the season. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A group, Kuj, has launched a helpline number to save lives. Any person who is distressed can call on 2252525 and share your worries. This group will counsel you to live a beautiful life. Life is precious, and so are you.
If you are disturbed, distressed and in agony, contact 2252525 and share your worries. Maybe your approach towards your life will change. Whenever you are troubled, call the Kuj group on 2252525 and live your life to the fullest.
My opinion, my verdict was that anybody who commits suicide is a coward. It's somebody who didn't have the guts to face life, who didn't have the guts to face the problems.
Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.